Welcome back to Garage Shenanigans. I've learned to enjoy this inside format where I'm going to be fixing this headlight. Plastic welding through a extremely interesting method. I'm going to be using a soldering iron and bits of a hanger. Just a regular white plastic hanger, soldering iron. This one's a piece of shit, and I've been using it for plastic for a while now. Just about this much is about all you're going to need. The headlight is the tabs that are broken. I'll show you here in a second, but basically we're just going to melt and glue everything back together while I watch TV. Okay, so let's get doing this. Okay, now this iron's, I don't know if it's hot enough. Yeah, it's warm enough. So the first step I like to do with the soldering iron is go, and you need to make sure that this tab needs to be flush back pretty much in the position it's supposed to be. And then just kind of poke into it, create a little hole we'll fill later, but this hole will hopefully be enough to where it'll melt the plastic in a way that it will keep this in position while we actually weld the coat hanger into place. So just gonna go over it a couple times, go all the way along the crack. Now I can let go and relatively in place. Now the method I've come to pick up on the coat hanger is you can just kind of hold on to it until it starts to burn through and melt a lot of plastic, and you're going to push that goop onto the little holes you made and just kind of mush into place with the soldering iron. And once you build up enough plastic, it's just going to be there forever. So let's start doing this.
fucking rage.
Okay, plastic welds are done. This is what it's going to look like unless you feel like painting it. It's not a pretty process, but it is solid. The stuff's not going to move. It's going to stay in place. The headlight's going to be mounted properly the way it's supposed to be. So, like I said, you want to poke holes into it, keep it steady, and then fill those holes and mush it around with coat hanger. As you saw, I took a piece of coat hanger that was curved right here and melted both ends, kind of melted off this little piece, and then flattened it out by rubbing the soldering iron over a bunch of times. That helped create the end of this bracket because this bracket was missing. And over here, this was also broken and did the same thing. So now the headlight's ready to go in. Tell me if this was useful to you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, that sort of thing. See you guys in another video. Got lots to do on this car. Still got some stuff to do on the Echo. I have so many car projects, it's insane. Okay, so see you guys in another video.